Welcome to NexWorld News. A suspected hantavirus outbreak aboard a cruise ship has tragically resulted in 3 deaths and several illnesses. Health authorities have confirmed hantavirus infections in 2 cases and are investigating others. This rare rodent-borne virus typically spreads when people come into contact with infected rodents or their droppings. The outbreak has raised concerns about the spread of this uncommon illness, with health officials urging caution and further investigation. Stay informed as more details emerge. Comment your thoughts and subscribe for more daily updates.